Most videos about making money with Claude tell you to write blog posts for $5. Well, that's a race to the bottom, and you will lose it. And here's what they miss. Claude is best at hard stuff. Long documents, deep research, or real reasoning. That's where the actual money is. So I'm giving you 3 specific ways today people are earning with right now, real numbers, and one nobody's talking about. So yeah, let's go. Just before the ways, one rule, it changes everything. Nobody pays you for Claude, all right? A $20 subscription is not a business. People pay for what Claude lets you deliver. The finished thing, the problem solved, the project shipped. So the golden rule is this: sell the result. Never sell, I use AI, all right? The client doesn't care that a robot did the work. They care that their problem is gone. Think of yourself as the boss, and Claude's your team. It researches, it writes, it builds, it crunches numbers, but you point it, all right? And you decide what's good enough to send. That part's still on you. So keep that in your head for all 3. So way number 1 is to sell a skill you already have, but faster, all right? This is the first way. This is the fastest cash. Take a skill you already have and then let Claude do 80% of the work. Copywriting, SEO, research, data cleanup. These jobs existed long before AI. The difference now is speed. What took a full day takes an hour. So you take more clients or charge the same and keep way more of your time. Now, here's a real example that makes it click. I found a freelance writer was grinding 1 article a day at $500, 10 grand a month if she never stopped. But it was exhausting. Last month, she built 18,000. Same clients, same niche, same brain. The only thing that changed was Claude. She stopped spending 4 hours on research, spent 40 minutes directing Claude instead, and went from 1 deliverable a day to 3. Each one better. Her hourly rate didn't go up a little. It just tripled, right? So that's the move. You're not selling AI writing. You're selling finished, high-quality work delivered faster than any human alone. Here's how to start. You just pick the one thing you already good at. Don't be a Claude person. Just be the person who writes email sequences for online coaches, all right? Or cleans up messy spreadsheets for small shops. Narrow wins. Then here's the key. You have to be good enough to tell good output from bad. That's your real value. Claude will draft. You catch the weak spots, you fix the tone, fact check, and make it client ready. The judgment is what they're paying for. AI just raised the floor, so your taste is the ceiling. That's the entry point, and the next one pays more per hour. Second way, and this is where the real hourly money lives and barely anyone's doing it right. Businesses are drowning in 2 things: data they can't read and busy work that eats their week. You come in and fix it with Claude. Not as a subscription, as a done-for-you project they keep. Now, there are 2 flavors here. Flavor 1 is the data whisperer. Tons of small businesses sit on piles of data, sales sheets, customer records, reviews, and they have no idea what it's telling them. You connect Claude to their data, you clean it up, and hand them a system where they can see and ask questions in plain English and get real answers, such as which products are dying or which customers are about to leave. They pay well because you turn confusion into decisions. Now, flavor 2 here is the automation builder. Every business has a repetitive task that eats hours. Sorting inquiries, writing reports, processing orders. You build a Claude-powered system that does it for him. You feed it, you tune it, and then you fix it when it drifts. Now the numbers, because this is the part that surprises people, a configured, done-for-you Claude setup, the system, the rules, a training session for their team runs $5,000 to $15,000 for 3 to 5 days of work. That's not an exaggerated number. This is why it's called high ticket. So why so much? Because your input cost is $20 plan, and the output is billed at consultant rates. That gap is the whole business. A regular developer charges $75 an hour. The same person with a slick Claude setup and a live demo charges $150. And here's the trick that closes the deal. Don't tell them that you use AI. Just show them. Do a 10-minute live build in front of them. Watch the thing get made in real time. And that demo sells harder than any pitch because they see the magic happen and they want it. Find these clients through small businesses, local companies, local, anyone comfortable letting AI touch their data. One good project a month, and this is a real income. A few, and it's a business. Now, the last way, it pays while you sleep. Third way, the one almost nobody's talking about yet, and you're early. Claude runs on things called skills. Think of them like little apps. A set of instructions that teach Claude to do one specific task really well. And there's a whole marketplace economy forming around them right now. And here's the wild part. There are already tens of thousands of these skills out there. Marketplaces have popped up where creators list them, and on the paid ones, creators keep 70% on every sale. It's the App Store moment for AI, except it's early and the shelves aren't full yet. So what do you build? You take a specific annoying task and you package it. A skill that turns Git history into a clean changelog. A skill that spies on competitors' ads and breaks down their messaging. A skill that qualifies sales lead. Just real problems, but packaged once. Here's why this is the sleeper play. You build a skill one time, and it sells over and over. And because format works across more than 20 different AI agents now, not just Claude, every buyer in that whole ecosystem is your market. Now, the honest part, don't build a skill that copies what Claude already does well, or one that copies the free official ones. That won't sell. Build a specific thing for the specific person who has money and a real headache. And here's a bonus angle for the business owners watching. Even a free skill is a lead magnet. You publish a skill that shows off what you can do, resume parsing or market research, whatever your thing is, and it puts you in front of every Claude user who needs that. The skill's free. The service behind it is where you get paid. If you start now, because the people who grab the top spots this year own them, by next year, well, it's going to be crowded. Now, I'm going to be straight with you like always. None of these are magic buttons. Claude is the team, but as I've told you, you're the boss. It does the heavy lifting. You bring the vision, the taste, and the client. No AI saves a bad leader. And the numbers are real, but they're earned. Way 1 can pay this month if you already have a skill. Way 2 scales into serious money once you land a couple of clients. Way 3 is slow. That's true. But then it compounds. The App Store play always is. The pattern across all 3 of these, Claude is best at hard, high-trust, complex work. That work pays more than short, cheap, and easy work. So stop competing on the cheap stuff. Go where Claude is strong and the money is real. The tool does the work in minutes. You just have to point it at the right buyer. So that's all that there is to it, Just sell your skill faster or build done-for-you setups. Package skills that sell on repeat while you sleep on these marketplaces. Claude has its own. It is claudeskillsmarket.com. It's not Anthropic, but here's the place where you can sell this. And that's it. Just pick one of these. You've got the tool. Now, just go find one real person with one real problem and solve it today. And that's the whole game. Go and play it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.